वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज मुकाबला है स्कूटर, खास तौर पर वेस्पा वर्सेस मोटरसाइकिल्स, यानी टू व्हील टू फिलोसफीज। किन फैक्टर्स पर इनका दोनों का मुकाबला किया जाएगा? वो हैं हिफाजत और सवार की हिफाजत, पावर ट्रेन और उसकी कारकर्दगी, साख्ती सलाहियत और लोड हैंडलिंग, और आखिर में पायदारी और माहौलियाती मुनासिबत, माहौलियाती हिफाजत। सबसे पहला फैक्टर हिफाजत और सफारी की हिफाजत में हम ये देखना चाहेंगे, क्या वेस्पा ज़्यादा तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम करता है, मोटरसाइकिल ज़्यादा कंट्रोल देता है। पावर ट्रेन की कारकर्दगी में क्या वेस्पा हमवार और मौसर कारकर्दगी देता है, मोटरसाइकिल ज़्यादा ताकतवर और तेज़ रफ्तार है। और साख्ती सलाहियत और लोड हैंडलिंग में वेस्पा क्या शहरी इस्तेमाल और रोज़मर्रा लोड के लिए बेहतर है, और मोटरसाइकिल भारी लोड और लंबे सफ़र के लिए मौजूद है। पायदारी और माहौलियाती मज़ाहमत में वेस्पा गन गंदगी, नमी और शहरी हालात में बेहतर परफॉर्म करता है, और मोटरसाइकिल ज़्यादा दर्जा हरारत और ज़्यादा सख्त हालात में बेहतर कारकर्दगी दिखाता है। यानी दो पहिए, दो फलसफे, इंतखाब आपका, सफ़र भी आपका और चॉइस भी आपका। तो सबसे पहले मुकाबला है सेफ्टी और राइडर प्रोटेक्शन का। दैट इज नंबर वन, राइडर लेग प्रोटेक्शन। Enclose, in case of scooter, enclose footboard shields, legs from debris and splash. जब वेस्पा पे सवारी होती है तो उस पर हर किस्म की डेब्रीज, कंकर, पत्थर और पानी के स्प्लैश से राइडर महफूज रहता है। और मोटरसाइकिल के केस में लेग्स आर एक्सपोज, मिनिमल लोअर बॉडी प्रोटेक्शन। स्ट्रक्चर प्रोटेक्शन, steel monocoque shell absorbs impact better in case of scooter, and in case of motorcycle, tubular frame particularly is lighter but less enclosing. जसपा बारिश, कीचड़ और गंदी शहरी सड़कों पर ज्यादा महफूज सवारी फराहम करता है, सवार को बेहतर तहफ़्फ़ुज़ फराहम करता है। प्रोटेक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर, स्कूटर का बिल्ट इन हिफाजती ढांचा इसके लिए मौजूद है। सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी की सूरत हाल ये है, स्कूटर का सेंटर ग्रेविटी इज लो, जो एक्सीलेंट बैलेंस एट स्लो स्पीड्स की गारंटी देता है। इन केस ऑफ मोटरसाइकिल, हायर सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी एंड दैट इज मोर स्टेबल एट हाई स्पीड्स। बार बार रुकने और चलने वाली शहरी ट्रैफिक में वेस्पा ज्यादा महफूज है, जबकि ज्यादा रफ्तार पर मोटरसाइकिल निस्बतन बेहतर इस्तेकाम काम करती है। Now, a monocoque body structure design frame in which body itself as act as the main load bearing frame in case of scooter. Instead of having separate frame underneath, the outer shell carries most of the structural loads. So in case of scooter, the pressed steel body and frame are one integrated structure. The entire body contributes to strength and rigidity. The design provides better torsional stiffness, improved rider protection, lower vibration, and excellent durability. And in case of motorcycle, there is a separate tubular frame, which is slightly less advantageous as compared to scooter monocoque frame. In case of motorcycle, straddle type motorcycle require the rider swing one leg over the seat. पूरा एक लेग स्विंग करके आप बैठते हैं. सेट विद द फ्यूल टैंक और फ्रेम बिटवीन द लेग्स. दोनों टांगों के दरमियान अमूमी तौर पर फ्यूल टैंक आ जाता है. दिस इज नॉर्मल राइडिंग पोजीशन फॉर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल मोटरसाइकिल. और इसके कंट्रास्ट में स्टेप थ्रू स्कूटर्स लाइक वेस्पा has an open space between the seat and handlebars. The rider simply steps through this space instead of swing a leg over the seat. और इस सूरत में स्टेप थ्रू स्कूटर हर किस्म के लिबास में, चाहे कोई भी हो, चाहे ट्राउजर्स हो, शलवार कमीज हो और इवन धोती हो, तो आप आराम से स्टेप थ्रू स्कूटर पे बैठ सकते हैं. Here is the comparison between scooter, Vespa and motorcycle seating style. In case of scooter, step through है और in case of motorcycle, straddle type है. Mounting, simple step through और motorcycle के केस में swing leg over seat. And how they are suitable? Scooter is suitable for all clothing and including traditional dress. Motorcycle is best suited to trousers or riding gear. This is one of the reasons scooters are often considered more convenient for city commuting, particularly when wearing formal clothing or traditional attire. Now, coming to the other factor of safety and rider protection, and that is rider posture. Upright, low seat, step through, safe for beginners in case of scooter. And in case of motorcycle, requires more skill. Coming to NVH, that is noise, voice, vibration, and harshness exposure. Scooter, lower noise and vibration. Motorcycle, higher NVH at idle and acceleration. रस्वा सवार की जिस्मानी और ज़हनी मेहनत कम करना पड़ती है और ड्राइव में गलती के इम्कानात भी कम करते हैं. वेस्पा तवील शहरी सफ़र के दौरान सवार की थकन कम करती है, जबकि मोटरसाइकिल सड़क सवार तक बेहतर अंदाज में मुंतकिल करती है. There is the infographic regarding NVH exposure, that is noise, vibration, and harshness. Lower NVH exposure at a smoother, quieter, and more comfortable ride. In case of scooter, the special type of frame, monocoque frame, reduces vibration. Engine is enclosed in body that reduces noise. It is comfortable speed, comfortable seat, and relaxed posture reduces fatigue. Better damping of road shocks. And in case of motorcycle, engine and exhaust create more noise, more vibration from engine and chassis, rider more exposed to wind, road and shocks, and less damping, and more harshness. So, in case of motorcycle, loud, vibration, and harsh, and in case of scooter, smooth, quiet, and comfortable. Number two, coming to the powertrain performance. Transmission, CVT, automatic, optimal RPM, smooth in case of scooter. And in case of motorcycle, manual gearbox with higher efficiency and direct drive. Power output, in case of scooter, 10 to 12 horsepower typical urban optimized, whereas in motorcycle 14 to 18 HP performance tuned। और इसका मतलब हुआ स्कूटर वेस्पा शहर के लिए बेहतरीन है और मोटरसाइकिल हाईवे के लिए बेहतरीन है। मोटरसाइकिलें बेहतरीन पीक पावर फराहम करती हैं। CVT transmission is continuously variable transmission. It is an automatic transmission that provides an infinite number of gear ratio within its operating range. Unlike a conventional gearbox that has fixed gear that is first, second, third, etc., etc., as shown in this infographic. The typical CVT scooter consists of tri-pulley variator connected to the engine, V-belt that transfer power, driven pulley connected to the rear wheel, and centrifugal clutch engages automatically as engine speed increases. Working principle of CVT: at low speed, the drive pulley is small, the driven pulley is large. This gives high torque for easy starting. Or higher speed पर the drive pulley becomes larger, the driven pulley becomes smaller. This provides a high speed ratio for cruising. Pulley diameters change continuously in case of CVT, so there are no noticeable gear changes. Here is the comparison of CVT transmission showing some disadvantage and advantage of CVT. CVT is continuously variable transmission. CVT के advantage क्या है? No gear shifting required, no clutch, no gear lever, just twist the throttle and ride. Here smooth acceleration and easy for beginners, less rider fatigue, excellent for city commuting, and keep the engine operating near its optimum speed. और CVT के disadvantages: less sporty feel than a manual gearbox, slower power loss due to belt drive, slight power loss due to belt drive. The drive belt and rollers require periodic replacement. Not ideal for very high performance motorcycle. CVT is designed more for comfort and convenience, not for racing. Now, coming to CVT and manual transmission, that is comparisons of scooter and motorcycle. नंबर वन, क्लच लीवर। CVT में क्लच लीवर नहीं है और मैनुअल गियर बॉक्स मोटरसाइकिल में है। गियर लीवर CVT में नहीं है और मैनुअल गियर बैक्स जो कि मोटरसाइकिल में है मौजूद है। गियर चेंजेस CVT में ऑटोमेटिक है और मैनुअल गियर बॉक्स में राइडर ऑपरेटेड हैं। राइडिंग ईज: in case of CVT, it is excellent, and in case of motorcycle, it is moderate. Stop and go traffic: scooter is excellent because of CVT, or motorcycle require frequent gear shifting. Acceleration: in case of scooter, it is very smooth. In case of manual gearbox, that is motorcycle, it depends on rider. Maintenance: स्कूटर में लोअर है और मैनुअल गियर बॉक्स मोटरसाइकिल में इसकी मेंटेनेंस मॉडरेट कॉस्ट कैरी करती है। राइडर फटीग: in case of scooter it is very low, and in case of motorcycle it is comparatively higher. So CVT is all about comfort, convenience and ease, perfect for city riding And manual transmission is all about control and performance and perfect for enthusiasts. Why scooter uses a CVT? Because it is smooth city riding for comfortable operation, simple twist and go riding, reduce rider workload, excellent performance in congested traffic. और राइडर को सिर्फ स्टार्ट द इंजन, ट्विस्ट द थ्रॉटल और ब्रेक लगाएं जब कभी जरूरत हो. देयर इज नो क्लच or gear shifting, making it especially convenient for urban commuting. Simple analogy: think of a rider, a bicycle with an assistant who changes the gear for you automatically, ensuring you are always in the best gear without any effort. That is essentially what a CVT does. It continuously adjusts the transmission ratio to suit the riding conditions, delivering smooth and uninterrupted power. While we continue, the main factor, that is powertrain and performance, the next factor is parameter is acceleration. Scooter, smooth and linear in traffic, whereas in motorcycle, faster 0 to 80 km per hour due to gearing. Car control, CVT gives instant throttle response, whereas in case of motorcycle, manual gears allow torque multiplication. इसलिए मोटरसाइकिल ने इस हवाले से कारकर्दगी जीत ली. वेस्पा ने बेहतर सुकून और आराम हासिल किया. और वेस्पा is suitable city Vespa is suitable for city comfort riding and scooter is for highway. That is Vespa for city and motorcycle for highway. Last factor in powertrain and performance is sustainable load. Scooter has air-cooled engine that is optimized for city. Motorcycle, larger cooling capacity or high speed and heat. इसलिए मोटरसाइकिल चढ़ाई पर और तवील फासलों के लिए ज्यादा बेहतर है. There is the comparison infographic of sustainable load, that is scooter versus motorcycle. Scooter has air-cooled engine. It is efficient at low to moderate loads and lightweight and fuel efficient, designed for economy and daily commuting. Whereas in motorcycle, larger cooling capacity, handles high speed and heat better, and it is built for tough conditions. Stronger engine, chassis, and cooling for gradient, highways, and long rides. Therefore, motorcycle comparatively is superior for gradients and long distances. Now coming to the next item, next category, and that is structural capacity and load handling. Frame. In case of scooter, steel monocoque board provides rigidity, and in case of motorcycle, tubular frames mostly used handles higher payload. Suspension, engine plus swing bar, etc. There are integrated shock system, whereas in case of motorcycle, dual shock, monoshock distribute load evenly. इसलिए भारी कामों के लिए मोटरसाइकिल बेहतर है, वो बाधी ले जाता है. मोटरसाइकिल की पिछली नशिस्त पर सामान और सवारी बैठने के लिए ज्यादा मौजू है, ज्यादा बेहतर है. Where is the comparison? Frame comparison. This is monocoque, straight monocoque, This is engineered as a single stress unit. It is high torsional rigidity, excellent durability, protect rider and components, smooth, quiet, and vibration damping due to steel body. Whereas in case of motorcycle, tubular, it's lightweight and high strength. It is designed to handle high payload, excellent for high speed and dynamic stresses, easy to customize and modify, supports high power all over the off on the particularly for the off roads. Therefore, monocoque structure leads monocoque structure as it can bear high stress and motorcycle is more suitable for roads and off roads to handle high payloads. Coming to the wheels, scooter has smaller wheels, improve agility and turning radius. In case of motorcycle, especially 17 inches wheel, more stable at high speed and rough roads. Ground clearance, scooter has lower ground clearance, lower floorboard increased stability. And in case of motorcycle, higher clearance for potholes and off-road. स्कूटर तंग शहरी रास्तों के लिए बेहतरीन है जबकि नाहवार सड़कों के लिए मोटरसाइकिल बेहतर है कई इलाकों के रास्तों पर ऑफ रोड पर मोटरसाइकिल की परफॉर्मेंस ज़्यादा बेहतर रहती Same data is shown in the form of infographics. Scooter has small wheels improve agility and turning radius. Motorcycle has larger wheels, 17 inches in most of the cases, and suitable for high speed and rough roads. Scooter Vespa best for tight city conditions and motorcycle best for uneven road and highway riding. Ground clearance, lower floorboard increases stability, whereas in case of motorcycle, the 170 to 220 millimeter clearance is suitable for potholes and off-road. Motorcycle is superior on rural terrain, and a scooter often becomes more stable in urban roads because it has a lower center of gravity of about 110 to 130 millimeters. And last factor regarding structural capability and load handling, that is off-road adaptability. Scooter built for paved roads, whereas motorcycle handles dirt, gravel and uneven roads. बेशक मोटरसाइकिल ज्यादा वर्सेटाइल है ज्यादा homogeneous है So coming to the last category, that is durability and environmental resistance. Corrosion resistance. Scooter, E-coated sheet, metal protects from rust. And motorcycle, E in even today or even or E-coat too. Tubular frame, however, can rust internally, but it's not common case. It could be very rare. Whereas engine exposure, engine explodes is an enclosed engine bay reduces dust ingress to the engine. For motorcycle, engine is open, but and that is the advantage is easy cooling and access. मुनासिब कोटिंग के साथ ई कोटिंग के साथ स्कूटर वेस्पा कदरे बेहतर है लेकिन ज्यादा नहीं गर्दालूद शहरों में स्कूटर ज्यादा देर तक चलता है जबकि मोटरसाइकिल की सर्विसिंग आसान होती है ट्रांसमिशन गियर In case of scooter, gear drive, no chain maintenance. In case of motorcycle, chain drive rugged and cheap to replace. Heat dissipation, engine enclosure, engine enclosure, moderate dirt exposure. But in case of motorcycle, heat dissipation is better, coolant airflow systems. मोटरसाइकिल शदीद गर्मी में बेहतर कारकर्दगी की हामिल है और स्कूटर खासतौर पर वेस्पा की देखभाल पर कम खर्चा आता है जबकि भारी बोझ के लिए भारी पेलोड के लिए मोटरसाइकिल बेहतरीन है Here is the infographic regarding transmission and heat dissipation. As we have discussed, scooter has belt, no chain maintenance is required. In case of motorcycle, it is chain drive, which is rugged and cheaper to replace. Our interpretation is scooter offers lower maintenance and a clean operation, ideal for city use. And in case of heat dissipation, in case of scooter, engine enclosure moderates dirt exposure, whereas in case of motorcycle, better coolant airflow system, and our interpretation is scooter enclosure protects against dirt and maintains moderate heat in city use, where motorcycle has superior heat dissipation or sustained high heat and performance. Now, wheel structure and fatigue. In case of scooter, it is smaller but stiffer wheels. And in case of motorcycle, larger wheels survive potholes better. मोटरसाइकिल सख्त माहौल में भी कामयाबी हासिल करती है. With this, we conclude our discussion on today's subject related to scooter and motorcycle. Stay tuned. See you again with the videos on similar topics related to automobiles, motorcycles, scooters, and auto rickshaws. Thank you and thank you very much.